Hi, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. We have been finished another 9 meter by 3 meter ProFisher boat for Australian markets. So this boat is being ready and all being finished and will be shipping to Brisbane in 2 weeks. So we'll make this video to show the details of this nice craft. So let's follow me to see the walk around video of this nice craft. You can see the boat is being painted by the blue color and white colors is two-tone painting, which is included for the standard boat. And on the bottom of the boat is designed with twin strainers and is being treated with aluminum colors. So this boat will be put on the trailer for towing from the home to the jetties. And now this boat is already sit on this steel cradles, which is including for the shipping on the 40-foot flat rack, which is quite easy and good for the shipping purpose. Then you see the design of the boat with this long extension rope, which is quite nice. Also the canal streamlines is quite beautiful. The boat is being designed with a side door, which makes very easy for the divers for the swimming. Then now we go to the back of the boat. This one is a small engine bracket. It's for the spare engine. And also we have the transom designed for twin outboard engines. The recommend was between 200 to 250 outboard. And trim tabs being fitted. And we all been put this upgrade aluminum hatch. It's good for the inspection purpose and very strong with casting aluminiums. So now let's go inside from the side door to see the finish of the interiors. So these are very good fishing facilities. When you open the door, it's the Lord 316L, the best stainless steel. Then you close. So this very good 316L locking system. So no any vibrations when on the rough seas. Then you see from the side of the boat, we have the deck wash ready. Big fish tank. It also can be used as a live bait tank. Big space for 2 or 4 batteries. We've been put the cable, all the cables ready. Then on the port side is a toilet room with locking as well. So very strong locking. When you open, just open this latching. Toilets, and we have the shower as well. It's good to connection with the fresh water. Then you go inside the cabin. We have the kitchen facilities, the cooking facilities, and the small fridge as well, which is quite good for some soft drink. Adjustable seat on the port side, which is good for the co-captains. And the line, the adjustable table, which can be higher, lower, based on requirement. Then the dashboard, the optional have been chosen by the customer for the Siesta hydraulic steerings, music players, the electric trim tab, and electric windlass. You can see the front, which is a good sleeping areas with a private door. Which is good space for 2 two people sleeping inside. It's this privacy door, so it's good for spend overnight on this nice craft. And on the top you see this boat also designed with aircon. It can be powered by the solar panel, battery, or the generator. And this one is a very good size, 9 meter by 3 meter. It is a lot of space for the family. Also, it is acceptable for the trailer on the road with the Australia regulations. Also, for this boat, we provide the aluminum trailer, and also can be optional for hot dip galvanized trailers. So, once this boat start operation in Brisbane, I will be making another video with some feedback from the customers. So if you like this wine, please order from Roger on Gospel Boat. Thank you. Bye bye.